Welding ain't enough anymore. Family, things are changing, especially when it comes to welding. You know, back in the day, we used to say that if you didn't know how to stick weld, you know what I mean, you really wasn't a master welder. Now that's not the case. Now, even though they have the terminology calling the people wire monkeys, that's really where it's at. More economical, it's faster, it's easy to learn, it's not a hard process. Everything is changing with welding. I don't believe that AI is going to replace the welding process. I don't believe that the technology is going to replace the human, but I do believe technology and welding is going to combine. I believe that we're going to start using both of them together. Things like the Metal 24 program, things like the new education they're bringing in from the robotics of the welding. So there's so much education when it comes to technology, welding, fabrication, wire, TIG welding, Flux-core welding, MIG welding, whatever the process is. I don't believe it's going anywhere. But just burning the bead, just doing the regular, throwing your hood down, getting it, things are changing, fam. It's no longer like that. You know, at one time, you know, and throughout the country now, there are places and shutdowns and construction. Right now it's a little cool outside, so you got construction where people are doing ironworking, putting in piping, doing that, and it's a lot of hood time. But a lot of it is a lot of prep time from the shop, and they're just going out and installing. So a lot of times you have to learn other things to add to your welding skills. Welding, fabricating, welding, knowing how to read blueprints, welding foreman, welding lead man. You see what I'm saying? So you have to actually add some more things to it to really make some money. But welding alone, I really believe is going to put a cap on you and going to keep you from growing. Especially for those who are coming out of high school, things are changed. And I believe we have to tell those who are dabbing into the industry now that things are changed. It's not the way it used to be. The pay is better now. You can relocate. The conversation is different now. And companies understand that they need you. They need you, family. They need you just like you need them. Y'all work together as an engine to build. So now, honestly, fam, I just want to bring a public announcement to those who are about to dive into welding from high school, from middle school. You get the opportunity to touch it, and you're like, man, I just want to weld. I want to weld. There's nothing wrong with it. And honestly, you're gonna make your best living doing more specialty welding. Specialty welding, TIG welding, doing roots and doing stick welding, doing combo or doing wire combo with the TIG. Doing specialty things gonna make you more money if you just want to weld. But I would actually recommend that you learn more. Learn fabrication. And the reason I say fabrication is so important because after you learn these welding skills, you can build something for yourself, for your family, for your legacy. After you done been on the job 5, 10, 20, 30 years, you can actually start building something for yourself. It's never too late. You can be doing it for the first couple of years and build a product. It's never too late, but we have to think outside of the box. I don't want to trap you inside of a situation you just say you're only going to get to your wealth and your freedom through one job. It's not going to work like that, but you do have to build your skill set. And I would recommend you finding a company to build your skill set with. Find your company to become a journeyman with, to get you a 3 to 4 years experience. And most of the time, these companies allow you to grow. But if they don't, you can relocate. And sometimes it's just good for you to put 3 or 4 years in, and then you get to traveling and seeing the world for yourself, fam. You are going to hold you back. 26 on out, fam, it's all about you. But welding ain't the same, fam. The money ain't the same. The taxes are different. Depends on where you in the country, fam. Right now, I'm going to be honest with you. Houston, booming right now. Houston, Texas, booming. Atlanta, booming. Chicago, booming. Different parts of Alabama, booming. Different parts of Carolina, booming. Different parts out west, booming. Like, depends on where you want to go, fam. So literally now, it don't matter where you at. Just do some Googling in your area. Do some research. See where the need is at. See where the programs are actually helping you get involved. If you don't have the finances, There are many programs out right now that will literally pay you to go to school. Through the workforce. Check out the workforce. I don't care what area you in. Go down and see what type of programs they got for skills. They will pay you to get into a skill program, fam. So if you're in Little Rock area, we're introducing a skill welding program. So you're gonna be able to sign up in Little Rock 6-week welding program, fam. You cannot beat it. 6 weeks to dive straight into the skills, and this is in Little Rock, connected with Arkansas Baptist College. I don't know where you're at in the country, fam, but now things are starting to open up, and you don't have no excuse, fam. You don't have no excuse. We have block education there. We have welding connected to the Metal 24 program. You can really get started now. You can make 6 figures now, fam, but you got to get started. And if you're an entrepreneur, you're the type of person, fam, you want to get these skills and build your own, check out my new ebook, family. It's available now. Keep from getting burnt out, family, in the trade. How to get that 100K from using your skills, from using that skill set that you already have. But those who are doing this have already put the work. You can't miss no skills. This not no get rich quick thing, fam. You got to put the work in. You got to invest. You got to have the skill. You got to have the time invested. And all you need is the education. Just like I needed. I needed the information and the education. I didn't know what to do with it after I had the time. Now, I can personally show you what to do with it, fam. My new ebook, my new opportunities, me being at Arkansas Baptist College, help building this welding program. You have the opportunity now to miss some steps by getting the ebook. You're not really just missing them, but you don't have to go through what I went through. Family, it's a road down here, family, and I heard the only thing that's changing is the vehicles we drive. That road is still the same. So if it's a dead end down there and I learned something from it, I can tell you about this I can tell you about this experience before you wreck your new car, before you wreck your new experience before you get down here, fam. That's what it's all about. Warning you, giving you the information to change your situation. If that's you, fam, check out the new ebook, fam. Like I say, learn all you can about the welding skills because the money is out here, fam. Depends on where you at in the country, you can relocate 3 to 5 hours and change your life forever. It's not the same, but it's all up to you now. What do you want to do with it? Where you want to go with it, fam? Pipe welding, fabrication, structural welding, specialty welding, doing welding in the military. What do you want to do with it, fam? Now it's all up to you, and 6 figures can be all up to you, fam. You can be in a small rural town areas and make $40,000 a year. That's a great living for people. Just get started, fam. Now you got no excuse. 2026 and out, you got no excuse, but you're gonna have to do more than well, fam. You gotta do more than that. It's more than just dropping the bead, knocking off the slab, seeing the good well, and being able to brag. Oh man, check out my new weld. You gotta do a little bit more than that, fam. We gotta add these welding skills with some fabrication, with some technology, so we can put ourselves in better situations to build some generational wealth.